Peace on Earth. Ethan Indigo Smith here. This is going to be a little bit speculative, but fascinating. So, looking at the matrix of four within the Tetragrammaton and the Tetraktys, we can see that there's a bunch of number play potentials. And it's set up in a pyramidal or triangular formation of 1 point for the point, 2 points for the line, 3 points for the plane, and 4 points on the base for the solid. This is the minimum number of points required for each dimension of geometry and come together as 10 points, uh, which, of course, uh, suggestive of our base 10 system as well. Now, this tetragrammaton or tetraktys formation is part of mystery pertaining to the 4 equals 10. And there's a bunch of, again, arithmetic potentials with the 4 and the 10 in the Tetraktys and the Tetragrammaton. Now, measure the most outstanding megalithic construction on the planet in the planet's history, more than likely, at the complex of Giza with the knowledge of the Tetraktys and the Tetragrammaton. The Pyramid of Giza is 440 cubits at its base, 44 and 100, of course. So you have the 4 right there. Also, a cubit is made up of 6 palms or 6 sets of 4 fingers, right? So you have the 4 there again, in a sense. Uh, the Great Pyramid is, again, 440 cubits at its base, and it is 280 cubits tall, which is 14 twice, right? 1 and the 4 there, which is also 4 weeks, which has a lot of significance, of course, in the Osiris tradition of the 4 weeks pertaining to his rising. Um, and the this also, I think, can be kind of a initiate phase too, a time. So you have in the Great Pyramid, you have the 440 and the 280 cubits. And now that may be kind of not necessarily significant and chance, but look at the Sphinx. The Sphinx is 140 cubits long. And as it's measured, it's set up to be 20 meters high. And 20 meters high, if you break that down, is actually 44.4444 cubits. So, so the Sphinx is about 44 cubits tall and 140 cubits long. The other 2 pyramids in the complex are also interesting, but not necessarily as immediately significant to the 4 and the 10, uh, but significant. The One of the bases for the other pyramid is 411 cubits, and the smallest of the 3 is 200 cubits. So these measurement systems in the most initiatory, uh, symbolic, valued, amazing place are certainly significant in more ways than I can even grasp here this time. But I think that it is partly to do with the 4 and the 10 and certain initiatory rituals and their timing. So I hope you find that interesting, related to the power of the 4 and the Tetragrammaton and the Tetractys and the symbology that has been built into the Great Pyramid complex. So let me know what you think. Peace.